Processor will save you from having to do tons of tedious and tiring prep work. If you are looking for the best food processor, you might consider checking out this best-rated food processor. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
With Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus. It has a beautiful, elegant stainless finish. It's 4 cups. The work bowl can go right in the dishwasher along with all the removable parts, so cleanup is really easy and simple. It has a really nice work bowl handle. You can remove the entire bowl mechanism off the base like that and put it back on, lock it into place. It has a smart power auto reversing blade. You basically mount the blade inside, put the lid on, put your ingredients in, put the lid on, and when you press chop, what happens is the blade will spin in the direction of which the sharp side will touch the food. You should only use the chop feature when you're doing soft fleshed items. Use the grind feature when you're doing hard items like nutmeg, hard Parmesan cheese, even peppercorns. You could also use that for lots of other things. You can also use the 4-cup Mini Plus to make a small batch of tuna fish or even salsa, maybe some pesto. It comes in really, really handy for everyday food prep tasks.
And these are editor rating for this product.